I'm Las Vegas car accident attorney Neil Schaus. A lot of people ask me whether it's worth it to buy uninsured motorist car insurance. The answer is absolutely yes. Keep in mind that Nevada law requires you to carry liability insurance, but does not require you to buy uninsured motorist coverage. It's optional. You have to elect to add it onto your policy, and it costs extra. But in my experience, it's well worth it. It's estimated that about 15% of drivers are uninsured. If you get hit by one of them and you don't have uninsured motorist coverage, you may have no ability to recover damages. But perhaps the bigger issue is underinsured drivers. These are people who do carry insurance, but not enough to pay for your injuries. Nevada law only requires people to carry $25,000 in liability coverage per injured victim. Let's say that somebody hits you, and between your medical bills, lost wages, and pain and suffering, you have $100,000 in damages. But that person only carries a state minimums of $25,000. This means that you have $75,000 in damages that you will probably never be able to collect. But if you have uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, often called UMIM, you could potentially walk away with a $100,000 settlement rather than $25,000. At the end of the day, whether it's worth it to buy this coverage is a question of how much risk you're willing to take. But as a personal injury attorney, my recommendation is to carry at least $100,000 in UMIM coverage. God forbid you're in a serious accident. It can make all the difference in terms of getting you the compensation that you need.